Introducing the School Policy module on EZDistrict. How to use the School Policy Dashboard. Schools and hazard zones can be set up to determine student eligibility for school transportation. Users can add different zones, such as walk zones, within a certain distance of the school. Hazard zones are areas that are hazardous for students to travel in, making those areas ineligible for transportation. When adding new zones, grades and programs can be specified to a specific zone. This comes in handy when there is an area that is hazardous for younger students, but not so much for older students. How to determine which students are eligible for transportation. Eligibility codes can be set up to specify which students are eligible or ineligible for transportation. This can be a list of rules specifying certain locations. Schools, grades, programs, and zones can also be accounted for as part of the rules. Our support team will be more than happy to help you set up eligibility codes.